If your landing page isn't converting online prospects into email leads at 40% or more, it's likely because you're missing one or more of 5 vital elements it needs to turn prospects into motivated email leads. Even worse, if you don't have a landing page yet, then your chances of getting the kind of results you want are severely limited. That's why I wanted to offer you a quick invite to a free webinar my mentor Jim is hosting this Wednesday night. Jim is one of the geniuses and founders of the membership website that's been around for the past 14 years and has been pumping out industry leaders like Ray Higdon, Diane Hoffman, Mark Herbert, and hundreds more year over year. Now, how many companies do you know that have been around since 2008 and still producing out success stories over and over and over? There aren't many. In fact, Jim's clients and members have generated a combined 4 million leads, and that's just the one that they could track through their system. So what's the point? The point is, this guy and the other geniuses that work behind the scenes in this company have dissected exactly what works online. Now, you got thousands of split tests, they pinpoint all those things, and they pinpointed the 5 elements every landing page needs to get prospects excited about your offers. And what if you don't have a landing page yet? This will help you shave years off of the learning curve. They've already done all the brutal trial and error for you. And Jim is going to even show you how to get your hands on done-for-you funnels that you can plug and play right away. And yes, those funnels already have the 5 critical elements. So all you have to do is register and show up. Wednesday night, 8 p.m., and you'll get all this info for free. Crazy, right? So as soon as you register, you can also download and get access to a PDF cheat sheet to get the 5 elements every winning landing page must have. And this is the key to turning 2023 into an insanely profitable year for you, your family, and your pockets. Hit me up and I'll get you the link so you can register for this session. 2 claps up and a Ric Flair.